Hello, sewing enthusiasts and fabric aficionados. I'm your stitching maestro, and I've been weaving through the world of sewing with machines for over a decade. Today, we're threading the needle with the top 5 sewing machines of 2024. If you're all about turning fabrics into masterpieces, embracing innovation, and doing it with the latest in sewing technology, you're in for a treat. But before we stitch into these fantastic sewing machines, make sure to check the links in the description for more sewing wisdom. Give that like button a little sewing love. Don't forget to subscribe and join our crafting community. And of course, activate that notification bell so you're the first to know about the latest in sewing tech and reviews. Now, let's sew up your creativity with these top sewing machines. Starting at number 5, Booko 737 Sewing Machine. The Booko sewing machine is a compact wonder, perfect for beginners and on-the-go sewing. Weighing just 3 kilograms and featuring 38 stitches, it's a versatile machine for various projects. The LED light ensures a well-lit workspace, and its desktop design is suitable for home use. With features like a walking foot, flatbed configuration, and overlock stitch formation, it provides functionality beyond its size. If you're a beginner or need a portable sewing companion, the Booko sewing machine is a lightweight yet robust choice. At number 4, Brother LX 3817 Sewing Machine. The Brother LX 3817 17-stitch portable full-size sewing machine is a versatile addition to any sewing studio. With 17 unique built-in stitches, it handles everyday tasks with ease. The jam-resistant drop-and-top bobbin ensures smooth operation. Adjustable thread tension, a free arm for various projects, and included accessories like different sewing feet make it a comprehensive tool for sewing enthusiasts. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and user-friendly sewing machine, the Brother LX 3817 is an excellent choice. At number 3, Xwin BT 7200D 3D4 Sewing Machine. The Xwin sewing machine is an automatic flat car clothes thickening marvel. Fully automatic and designed for thick materials, it's a powerful tool for crafting and sewing. The single needle and double line capability make it efficient and precise. With dimensions of 65*30*55 m and a weight of 40 kg, it strikes a balance between power and practicality. If you're a professional or hobbyist dealing with thick fabrics, the Xwin sewing machine stands ready to meet your sewing needs. At number 2, Singer 44S Sewing Machine. The Singer 44S sewing machine is a heavy-duty marvel. With 50% more power, it's a go-to tool for thick fabrics or intricate projects. The metal frame ensures stability, and the generous C-space allows for sewing larger projects with ease. Its 97 stitch applications, adjustable presser foot pressure, and one-step buttonhole feature cater to various sewing techniques. The top drop-in bobbin with a clear view cover prevents thread emergencies, and LED lighting illuminates your workspace. If you're a sewing enthusiast tackling diverse projects, the Singer 44S offers reliability and versatility in one sturdy package. At number 1, JUKI HZL 180 SZ Sewing Machine. The JUKI sewing machine is a powerhouse for any household. With 8 built-in stitches, including a buttonhole and reverse stitch function, it caters to various sewing needs. The metal frame and aluminum alloy interior ensure reliable quality and durability. Clocking in at 60 decibels, it operates quietly, making it suitable for any time of day. Its full functionality, encompassing needle adjustments, presser foot pressure adjustments, and a fast needle threading function, makes it a versatile tool for both beginners and experienced sewers. The easy maintenance and inspection add to its user-friendly design. If you're a potential buyer looking for a robust, quiet, and feature-rich sewing machine, the JUKI model is an excellent choice.